Clean. And did you see the most annoying noise? I actually don't know why. I'm just gonna keep this video on for 1 minute. It's annoying. Throw this ball in the hoop. That won't work. I hate that. You don't like this. If there was one thing that somebody save me from this torture. It's almost been 1 minute. Great. Somebody help me. Okay, video's over.